What is up, traders? Another green day for Jay. So let's get into it. I took a quick trade this morning on crude oil, as you can see right here. A pretty advanced play, okay? So let me break down my notes going into this session, okay? So my notes. Number one, overnight session rejected yesterday's low. So where's this overnight session? Right here, right? The shaded area is the overnight session. And this low, let's see, it rejected the low from yesterday, right? So, I mean, you could see that it surpassed the low by a little bit, but there was not enough volume to actually break through that low. So this is considered a rejection in my eyes, right? So going into the morning, into the open, I'm looking, hey, if we get down to this low or even close and we do not break this, I'm going to take a long here and, take it back up to the overnight high, right, which was 55.76. But you know me, I like getting out of trades quick, so I went long. I took the long here, followed my plan, 55.33, and I got out within about, I don't know, 10 minutes or something. And yeah, the long play worked out. I got long 55.33, got out 55.47. Not as much as I could have made on this trade, but hey, I am not complaining. It only took one good trade today, and as you can see, 420 on the day. So yeah, that's today's trade. Okay, so this was a more advanced play, right? So I have another chart that I like to look at, and that is this right here. Okay, so this is a 1,000 tick chart, right? So this is 1,000 ticks, and basically this is a VWAP, right? So VWAP, volume weighted average price. Okay, so that's an indicator, one of the only indicators I use, and this is your delta down here. This is just your order flow. So like all the volume on the bids and the asks is calculated into this down here, right? So the long I took was right here. Now you can kind of see why I took it, right? So it came down to this developing value area, right? So this calculates, value in real time, this shaded area, and yeah, it got back down to this low, the low of this shaded area. The order flow was neutralized, we call it, and we got a sick bounce right back to this 55.83 previous value area, right? But yeah, that's the trade for today, guys. If I take one good trade in the morning this early, like before 10 o'clock, then I just call it quits and I go do what I gotta do. So right now I actually gotta go take some drone pictures for some real estate companies, and yeah, that's my day. I like trading early because I got stuff to do for the rest of the day. I got to make these videos for you guys. I got to go drone. I got to do a whole lot of shit because I want to be successful and wealthy, right? So I hope you guys got something from today. That was a crude oil quick trade, and yeah, I hope we keep this up. As long as we stay consistent, I'm happy, right? So what did we do yesterday? Like 2 or 320. Today we did 420. We're off to a great start this week, let me tell you. But yeah, that's it. This might be setting up for another long play. So basically you just want to go long on these pullbacks unless sellers really drive this back down. But I'm not looking at charts for the rest of the day. I gotta go do some stuff, and yeah, I hope you guys have a green day, and I don't know what else you want me to tell you. So maybe I'll leave you guys with a little rule, okay? So let's say this first trade didn't work out, right? And I really thought it was, it's a valid trade, right? And I got stopped out on the first one, whatever, hop back in. What is your limit? Like, how many trades are you going to take to know when to stop, okay? And I want to give you a rule of thumb, something that I use. I played baseball in high school, so I like this rule myself. It's the 3 strikes you're out rule. If you make 3 trades, right? If you see a valid trade opportunity and it hits your stop 3 times, that's it. Just call it a day right there, okay? So you don't want to keep trying and trying and trying and trying, because you don't want one day to break you. You don't want 1 week to break you, right? So just write down a simple risk plan and, really follow that shit, because I know trading at home is hard. We're alone. We're not at a prop firm. We're not trading professionally on a desk where a manager will come and pull us out of a trade because we're, down too much, right? We have to do all that on our own, and it's hard. So you better stick to your damn rules, stick to that risk plan, and you better write out a risk plan right now so you know when to cut it off, right? Because you don't want one bad day to blow your account, right? Stops are here to protect your capital. We need them in order to survive, okay? God, these people got it all messed up, right? So that's my little end of the video rant. And yeah, we made some money today. Time to go make some more money. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.